This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers, today in this video we will discuss module 17 of Java programming language beginner's guide. For beginner's guide, the topic we're going to learn today is the logical operators. In our previous video we have discussed relational operator, arithmetic operator, and bitwise operator, and today we will discuss and start from the logical operators. Logical operators are an integral part of any operator set. The logical operators supported by Java are listed in the table below. So likewise, we have been typing and drawing a table like the first column contains the operation, the second one contains the operator or the symbol, and third column is used to describe the purpose of that particular operator. So first of all, we will type the logical and the operator is used as double ampersand, and it actually returns true if both the conditions mentioned are true. Second one is the logical or, so you can type the double pipe symbol. It returns true if one or both the conditions mentioned are true. Third one is logical not, and for this we can use an exclamation, and it returns the true if the condition mentioned is false. Now we'll discuss the assignment operator, one more operator in Java programming language. Now we will discuss the assignment operators, and these are following assignment operators supported by Java language. And the operation, first assignment operator is a simple assignment operator. Is used denoted by an equal to symbol, and the description is assigns a value on the right to the variable in the left. Next one is add assignment operator. For this you can use plus symbol and equal to symbol like we used in C language. It adds the value on the right to the value of the variable on the left, and assigns the resultant to the variable on the left. Next one is subtract assignment operator, and is denoted by subtract and equal to symbol, and it subtracts the value on the right to the value of the variable on the left, and assigns the resultant to the variable on the left. The next one is multiply assignment operator. It is denoted by an asterisk and then equal to symbol, and the purpose is multiplies the value on the right to the value of the variable on the left and assigns the resultant to the variable on the left. Next one is divide assignment operator. It is denoted by / and equal to symbol. So we'll just copy the description from this cell and then type and paste over here, and then we'll just change the definition, like it divides the value on the right to the value of the variable on the left and assigns the result to the variable on the left. Next one is the modulus assignment operator. It is denoted by a percentage symbol and then equal to symbol, and it takes the modulus of the left hand side and right hand side and assigns the resultant to the variable on the left. Next one is the left shift assignment operator. It is denoted by like this. It takes the left shift of the left hand side and right hand side and assigns the resultant to the variable on the left. Next assignment operator, which is right shift assignment operator. So we'll just copy the description from the left assignment operator and paste to the cell of right shift assignment operator. So it takes the right shift of the left hand side and right hand side and assigns the result to the variable on the left. Next one is the bitwise assignment operator. For this we need to first have the ampersand symbol and then equal to symbol. So it takes the bitwise and of the left hand side and right hand side and assigns the resultant to the variable on the left. Next one is bitwise exclusive or assignment operator, and the symbol is used as caret symbol and then equal to symbol. So I'm just gonna copy it from this cell, just change the values, like it takes the bitwise XOR exclusive OR of the left hand side and right hand side and assigns the result into the variable on the left. Now the last one, the last assignment operator is the bitwise inclusive or assignment operator. So the symbol used as the pipe symbol and equal to symbol together. So I'm going to copy it from the above cell and paste it right over here, and text the bitwise or of the left hand side and right hand side and assign the result into the variable on the left. Thanks for watching. In our video of today we have discussed two different operators. The first one was the logical operators and the second we discussed is the assignment operators. That's all. Thanks for watching.